Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today's 4th of May. So I'd like us to start off with the chart on my screen. Let me clear off all these lines on my chart. So the first level I see on this chart, whatever I'm seeing now, is I'm seeing a good support. Here, this is a very good support. We do have a resistance here. We have a resistance here, and then we have a trend line. So this is what we expect to be happening. We expect the price to bounce off from this point, head straight to the lower side up to this point, bounce off from it, head to the upper side, break beyond it, then pull back before continuing upwards like this. So technically, these are the places we are looking at. We are looking at this point for a buy. We are also looking at this level here for a buy. If the price should break below any of these levels, then that would mean we are now continuing in that direction. So that's my opinion on the Brent oil. The next symbol which I want us to have a look at is GBP USD. So with the GBP USD so far, the price is headed to the lower side. We have an active downtrend. So we had a shape like that. We had a shape here. We had another one from the top like this. So this is a resistance, this is a resistance, this is a resistance, and this should be a resistance. We have a minor shape inside that wider one. Have that, and then you have another one, and then we have horizontal support here and horizontal resistance level here. So if the price can pull back and touch the line we have at the top, this one, this is 1.26160, then this will give us a good place to look for a sell from. If the price breaks beyond it, then we expect buyers to push price to the upper side, at least up to this line here. And if the price for some reasons break below this lower line, this is 1.24104, then that would be a sign that now we are continuing in that direction. So that's my opinion on that chart. The next instrument is the US dollar Japanese yen. This chart is very much bullish. We are in a very good uptrend. So I'll delete these lines. We have a resistance level there. We have another one here. And then you have a support here. So if the price can come down and touch this line, this is 129.409. This will give us a good place to buy from. Our stop loss is below the low of this candle. So this here is going to be a good place to look for a buy from if the price can come back and touch it. If you buy it there, your take profit needs to be at the high of this candle here. So the take profit is at 135.254. We buy it. We're supposed to buy it at 129.443. Our target is 135.254. So that's my opinion, my suggestion on the US dollar Japanese yen. It's a buy. We are looking for buy positions on the 4-hour chart. As I've said, you're looking for a buy here. This is 129.443. Our take profits at 135 point something. So we move forward. Let's move forward to Euro USD. So with the USD so far, we are in a very good downtrend. The price is continuously moving to the lower side. You can see that all the indicators I'm having are showing us a sell. This moving average showing us a sell. This one here, it's showing us a buy, but ultimately this should be a good sell. We have a level there. We have another one. This is like a shape. So if for some reasons the price should break below this trend line here, then that will be a good sign that now we are continuing in that direction. We expect sellers to continue to push price to the lower side. So we expect that if the price breaks below this point, then we expect more sell positions. But if the price again breaks above this upper trend line, then we are expecting buyers to push price upwards up to this point here. So we have a trend line like that, and then you have another like that. So this is a very good shape. We also have a shape here. If we were here when this shape was forming, we would have used it. If now we are here that this shape is forming, you either wait and sell from the top or wait and buy at the bottom here. So the next instrument is gold. So on gold so far, let's see what we have. On gold so far, we're looking for a buy from this support here. So you can see that it seems like the price actually violated this level to the lower side. You can see we are still struggling around the same place actually. So this is a good place to look for a buy from up to this target. This is this target is 1916.90. The next target is this one, 1980.37, and then the next target is this one. This is 2051.96. So if you buy it there, expect buyers to push price to the upper side up to this level. If the price breaks above this point, our next target is this one. If the price goes beyond this level, then our next target is the one we have at the top. So we have another line, this one. This is a good support. This is a good support. This is a good support. If the price can break below this point but does not violate this lower line, then that should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So technically we are waiting for a buy on gold. We are waiting to see what happens if the price gives us a buy signal. If the price gives us a buy signal from around this line here, then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. As it is now, we are still looking for buy positions, but only up to this point here. So the last symbol for the day is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, it looks like the price is continuously moving to the lower side, despite the fact that we expect it to gain some value. So we have support here, which must be broken clearly if the price is to continue to the upper side. So if the price is to extend upwards, then we expect it to bounce off from this level here. So we expect it to continue upwards up to this target. We have another target here. So if you buy it here, expect buyers to push price up to this level. If the price breaks above this point, then the next target is the one we have at the top. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.